Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to make designer blouse back. Let's see the process of it. First we'll draw back of the blouse on lining. Neck tip as per the blouse requirement. Now we'll give the neck shape which we have to design. We have to cut blouse back as usual. Now cut the neck as per the design, as we have taken here keyhole at back. Now you can check this. Lining is cut as per the sketch. Now we have to cut the back of main fabric, as we are taking border at bottom, so place it properly and cut this. Now you can check this. Main fabric is also cut as per the lining. Now we'll proceed to the stitching part of it. First we have to stitch keyhole of the blouse. Attach your keyhole of lining with the main fabric. Cut each corner slightly so that lining can turn inside properly. Now put stitch line at keyhole from right side. Now attach lace at bottom of the Now you have to attach this purple stripe as per the sketch. It is 1 centimeter. You can take as per your requirement. Now you can do finishing to your neckline with the cross stripe, as we have to place lace over it. So do it properly. Now stitch lace over it. Now you can check this, how nicely it is done. Your designer blouse back is ready. You can give this pattern to any of your border sari blouse. If you like this pattern, share it with your friends, like us, subscribe us, and tell your friends also to subscribe it. Thank you.